First Warn 5 weather with Matt Holliner.
6:44 this morning. Right now, the bulk of the activity is out to the west. That's where that low pressure system is centered. But things are going to change. Later today, the bulk of the activity is kind of where these little stray rain showers are popping up right now. Nothing to worry about now, but late this afternoon and evening, we're going to get some very active weather. Look at this large area under a threat for severe storms. From Iowa down into Texas. If I had to pick the most dangerous area today, it's probably the state of Arkansas. Damaging wind and hail, a good bet, and also a pretty good chance of seeing some tornadoes there. Now, there's always a bullseye for where the best chance of severe weather is, and then around it, lesser chances. And so the chance of severe weather drops as you go into South Texas. And let's zoom into our area. Notice the cutoff right at the edge of the valley. Falfurrias in that marginal risk, but the valley is not. And I've got to say, the Storm Prediction Center just putting the chance of seeing a damaging wind gust or a little bit of damaging hail at 5%. In Falfurrias. So even if later today they update this and move the marginal risk into part of the valley, we're only talking about a 5% chance of seeing severe weather. And I really don't think that's going to happen because a lot of the models are in very good agreement about the timing of this front, and it's just arriving a little bit too late. The storm's losing energy as they get here late in the night. And so we're looking at just regular thunderstorms and maybe even some showers. Some might even miss out on the thunder and lightning. 7 a.m. this morning, cloudy skies, but look at what happens. Those clouds are going to be breaking up, especially at noon. We're going to be seeing a lot of sunshine already in the upper valley and the clouds breaking up in the lower valley. And then I think there's going to be a period around 4 o'clock or so with mostly sunny skies. Temperatures are going to be in the mid-90s today, but it's going to feel like 100 degrees. It's going to be feeling very much like summer. It's going to be rough out there, and it's going to be windy. Now, this evening, notice we're still dry, but the clouds making a comeback. And then starting at 2 a.m. tonight, 2 a.m., notice the time here. This is very important. So your dinner plans tonight are going to be fine, and you're probably going to be wondering if there's going to be rain. Many, I think, are actually going to sleep through this rain because, check it out. Okay, the rain starts at 2 a.m. At 8 a.m., there's still some showers. The best chance in the lower valley, smaller rain chances as you go out to the west. And by 10 a.m., the rain is out of here. So if you go to bed about midnight and wake up at 10 a.m., you might miss the rain altogether. So it's kind of a short window where we have this rain chance. Now, there's still going to be a lot of clouds at 10 a.m., but starting at 10 a.m., those clouds are going to be breaking up. And by 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, we're talking about temperatures in the low 80s, low humidity, sunny skies. It's going to be windy still tomorrow, but tomorrow the winds are out of the north. That's why it's going to be significantly cooler. It's going to be a cooler wind tomorrow, where today it's going to be a hot wind directly out of the south. Gusts around 35 miles per hour, highs around 95, but it's going to feel like 100 degrees when you factor in that humidity. Very high humidity levels. We're starting out with a lot of clouds, but it's going to become mostly sunny later this afternoon. And tonight, I really want to emphasize that the evening is going to be dry. We're looking at partly cloudy skies, and then the clouds will increase, and then starting at 2 a.m., the rain chance begins, and then we'll continue through the early morning hours tomorrow. By the way, it's going to take a long time to get to 69. That's probably about 9 a.m. tomorrow morning once those winds finally shift to the north. So much of the night, it's going to be warmer than that. Plan on temperatures starting out in the 80s really early this evening, and then mostly going to be in the 70s. It's going to take a long time to fall down to 69. And then check out what happens early Sunday morning. Yes, with those clear skies and the winds finally dying down Saturday night, we're going to start at 51. But Sunday afternoon looks fantastic. Light winds, low humidity, sunny skies. 83. Sunday's going to be a gorgeous day. Monday's going to be gorgeous. Tuesday's still pretty good. On the windy side, but still comfortable humidity. The humidity comes back on Wednesday, so Wednesday and Thursday not as nice, but from Saturday afternoon through Tuesday, lots of nice weather to look forward to.